Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Star Wars kits is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies for any Star Wars fan. These kits offer a unique opportunity to bring iconic starships and characters to life, providing a hands-on experience that goes beyond simply watching the movies. Whether you're a seasoned modeler or a complete beginner, there's a kit out there to suit your skill level and passion for the galaxy far, far away. Number 5. Fascinations Star Wars R2, D2 and C-3PO 3D metal model. This is a hobby model kit for ages 14 and up. It includes everything you need to build your own Star Wars models. It's a fun and challenging project for anyone who loves Star Wars. You don't need any glue or solder to assemble this model. Tweezers are recommended for bending and twisting the pieces. It's easy to put together, even for beginners. The model is made from 6 sheets of metal. The difficulty level is challenging, so it will take some time to complete. The finished product is a detailed and impressive display piece. Simply pop out the pieces and connect them using tabs and holes. It's a unique and engaging building experience. You'll be amazed at how it transforms from flat sheets to a 3D model. Once completed, you'll have a highly detailed etched model. It's a great way to show off your love for Star Wars. Display it proudly and let everyone admire your work. The assembled size is 4.25 by 2.36 by 4.84 inches. It's the perfect size to display on a desk or shelf. It's a great addition to any Star Wars collection. What we like. This metal model kit offers a unique building experience, crafted from steel sheets. It requires no glue or solder, making it accessible and enjoyable. If you are looking for a detailed, challenging model that results in a stunning display piece, this is a great choice. What people say. C-3PO has the option of a red or gold arm, which I appreciated. I went with the classic all-gold look. R2-D2 was the easier one to make. C-3PO was definitely a harder build and it took some time. I kept it old-fashioned with all gold. His arms and legs took time, but it came out so realistic. This R2 unit is a little bigger than the standalone R2 kit, and the paint adds a really nice touch. As far as the 3PO, I had a lot of fun building him. I like how they give you the option of building the red or gold arm. While I am a bit of a traditionalist and initially had intentions of building the gold arm, the red metal just looks so cool that I had to build it. 3PO looks pretty good for having been born of metal sheets. Impressive, quite impressive. Number 4. 4D Build Star Wars Millennium Falcon 3D Model Kit. Get ready to build an iconic piece of Star Wars history. This 4D Build Millennium Falcon model kit offers a detailed and accurate replica. It's a satisfying craft challenge for any fan. This model kit boasts movie-quality intricate detail. It includes glue and a stand to proudly display your finished creation. The finished product is perfect for any room. With 223 durable punch-out pieces and clear instructions, assembly is a breeze. No tools are required, making it a fun project for all skill levels. You will enjoy the process. Once completed, it's an authentic addition to your collection. It's ideal for room, office, or bedroom decor. It measures 16.9 by 12.4 by 8.8 inches. Looking for a great gift? This model kit is perfect for Star Wars fans of all ages. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or any special occasion. They will love it. Looking for more fun? Explore other 3D puzzles and games. It's a great way to switch things up and enjoy family time. There's something for everyone. The kit includes 10 cardstock sheets, glue, and detailed instructions. It's all you need to bring the Millennium Falcon to life. It's covered by the Spin Master Care commitment. What we like. This model kit provides a detailed replica of the iconic Millennium Falcon. It's designed for easy assembly, with no tools required, making it a satisfying craft challenge. If you like a detailed model for room decor, office decor, or bedroom decor, this is perfect for you. What people say. When those are completed and displayed, they appear as real wood models, and others have said as such. Also, be mindful of which side is what by looking at the pictures in the directions, which are great, and by also seeing which way a piece bends by the pre-scored creased pieces. Super cool to build. Though being that it's made of card stock, it's a bit tough to put together at times. It made a really fantastic gift. Number 3. Bandai POE'S X-Wing Fighter, Rise of Skywalker Ver. Get ready to build POE'S iconic X-Wing fighter. This model kit brings the starfighter from Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker, to your collection. It's a must-have for any Star Wars fan. This 1/72 scale model kit is highly detailed. You'll be amazed by the accuracy of this model. It's perfect for display or for recreating your favorite scenes. The S-foil wings can be adjusted. You can choose to display the wings in the open or closed position. This adds a dynamic element to the model. The kit includes both clear and framed versions of the cockpit canopy. You can choose the one that best suits your preference. It's easy to customize the look of your fighter. No glue or painting is required for this model. It's designed for easy assembly. You can have this X-Wing fighter ready to go in no time. Look for the Bandai Namco warning label on the box. This confirms that it is an officially licensed product. You can be sure that you are getting a genuine item. What we like. This model kit features POE'S X-Wing fighter and is a snap-together model, meaning no glue or painting is required. The S-foil wings can open and close. If you are a beginner or want a quick and easy build, it is a great choice. What people say. Easy to build and good quality for the price given. It is a beautiful addition to my Star Wars X-Wing collection. You won't be able to find this one anywhere else. Bandai make incredible plastic model kits. Their Star Wars kits are the best around. Easy to assemble, fit is fantastic, details are excellent. This model is of excellent quality and easy to put together. It even came with enough extra pieces to almost build a second complete X-Wing. Number 2. AMT Star Wars The Bad Batch Havoc Marauder. Get ready to build the iconic Havoc Marauder from the Bad Batch. This AMT model kit brings the rugged transport ship to life. It's a must-have for any Star Wars fan. This kit features detailed parts, allowing you to recreate the Havoc Marauder with precision. The model captures the ship's unique design. You'll enjoy the process of assembling this impressive vehicle. The AMT Star Wars model kit is designed for easy assembly. The instructions are clear and the parts fit together well. It's a fun project for model builders of all skill levels. The model accurately represents the Havoc Marauder as seen in the Bad Batch series. It includes all the essential details. It's a great addition to any Star Wars collection. Expand your Star Wars collection with this fantastic model kit. It's a great way to celebrate the series. Display it proudly and show your love for Star Wars. What we like. This model kit features the Havoc Marauder from AMT Star Wars. If you are a fan of the Bad Batch series, this model kit is a must-have. What people say. A fun little model for those who like this ship. Easy to build. Looks great on the shelf. Came quickly and without a problem. The model is your typical AMT quality. Pieces fit well and does not take a lot of work as the part count is smaller than most. Great model. Number 1. Bandai Boba Fett's Starship 1144 Model Kit. From Star Wars, Episode 5, The Empire Strikes Back, this model kit brings Boba Fett's iconic ship to life. It's a detailed replica of the Starship, ready for display. The included display base recreates scenes from Cloud City. It allows you to showcase the ship in a dynamic setting, capturing the essence of the movie. The kit includes wing cylinder parts, letting you choose how to display it. You can choose between a parked or flying style, customizing the look of the model. The set comes with a seated Boba Fett and a carbonized Han Solo figure. It also includes laser effect parts and various hatch options, enhancing the display. Assembly requires a nipper or sprue cutter, which is sold separately. No glue is needed, making it easy to put together and enjoy this detailed model. What we like. This model kit features Boba Fett's Starship with a detailed display base. It offers multiple display options, including parked or flying styles. If you like a model kit with a detailed display base and multiple display options, you should consider this. What people say. There is some extra parts for different versions of Slave 1 like the front right green panel, loading dock, and rear wing strut axle. The detail on these lil rigs is outstanding. All in all, I'm very pleased with this model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.